Hi all, today we are going to see how to download Codeblocks with the compiler, and that's an easy process we are going to see today. Come, let us see how to do it. So first, as usual, you have to open the Internet Explorer, go to Google Chrome. So once you open Google Chrome, you type here Codeblocks. As usual, you type here Codeblocks and press and go for the first one. In this, you can go for the first one, Codeblocks. So once you open this Codeblocks, you'll have a lot of versions available here. So you can see here. So here you can go and click downloads. When you click downloads, then you can see a lot of things here. Download the banner release, download the source code, retrieve all those things. Go for the first one. I'll click the first one. Once you click the first one, just roll down. Just roll down. You can see a lot of things, setup.exe, all of those things. Don't go for the first one. You want with compiler. So you have to select this min.gw setup.exe. If you have 32-bit, then you can go for 32-bit. So this is the, you have to click code block 20 min.gw, which has compiler inbuilt. So go right side of the same line min.gw. Same line, go right side and click sourceforge.net. So once you click, it will come. See here, it starts shortly. Download will start shortly, and you will get the code blocks. I'm saving to the desktop, so that will get downloaded. Can you see in the bottom? It will get downloaded. You have to wait for the time so that the code blocks gets downloaded. Once it gets downloaded, then you have to click yes, and then you have to start running your compiler. I have already downloaded code blocks in my system. So for you, it will be downloading and then you have to install. So it's taking time, some more time is taking. We have only 21 seconds left. And already it has come. Thank you for downloading code blocks. All those details are coming. So let's wait and see it is opening. Yes, it's finished download here. We can see here and then click this. Do you want to install app? You can say yes. Then the code blocks opens. You can put next. Then you can say I agree. Click I agree. Don't touch anything. Just put next. It is going to see install. Then you can put yes. Then you'll get installed. So this will go for some time. Already they have downloaded, but for you, you have to do all these things. Next, everything is next. No much changes, so that your compiler also gets loaded. So Codeblocks is the easy tool. We can also use C as well as C++ in this. Not only for C program, we can also use for C++. And of course, Fortran. No, Fortran is not much use. We had Fortran 77 those days in programming. Then came C and C++, now Java, and now up to Python. It's a very famous, similar to C, the Python has come. And of course, C is the fundamental for all programming. You have to learn this C program. And Codeblocks is the easiest. We have a lot of software like Codeblocks, compilers. Put yes, completed, and the Codeblocks is opening. So Codeblocks is open. First time will ask you for C, C++ compiler. You want everything, put everything yes if it is asking. And then I'm going just checking whether it's working. You go for empty file. Yes, you have compilers. Can you see here? Yes. So I'm just naming it. Save as first. I'm just giving the file name. This all will be taught in the class. So I'm just try to give the file name and check whether it's working. I'm just writing on program and seeing whether it's working. The compilers. X is equal to 3, integer x is equal to 3, printf percentage d, comma x. So now we have written the program, so just will execute and see this is compiling. So I'm just compiling, seeing whether it's working, because the compiler is working or not, you have to check. Yes, we are getting x equal to 3. And this is how it works. And thanks for watching this YouTube video. And you to try and execute. Good luck for C programming. Bye bye.